What drew me here from Hawaii is that Dr. Muslin won't harm any of your natural teeth. I suffer from extreme sensitivity, headaches, dizziness. I grind my teeth and I clench. I've had the Venlays in my mouth for 24 hours. No numbing and no shots, and it was comfortable. Honestly, like since I've been in his jaw track and put on the Venlays, I've had no neck pain. All the muscles in my head have seemed to calm down. I have this layer of protection over my teeth. They were super sensitive and now they're not. I couldn't be happier with Dr. Muslin and his staff. They're all very sweet and accommodating, and it was just completely worth it to fly from Hawaii to get this procedure done.